Assalamu alaikum students. Let us learn an interesting subject, that is maths. In the previous video lecture, we learned how to add and subtract units of measuring capacity, and as well as we also did practice 7.5, and today we are going to learn units of time. In the previous classes we have learned about hours, minutes and seconds. Now we shall learn about days and their mutual conversion. For this purpose we have to remember that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds and 1 day equal to 24 hours. It means that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour and 60 seconds in 1 minute, and there are 24 hours in 1 day. Now we will learn some rules to convert hours and minutes into minutes and seconds. So first is to convert hours into minutes, number of hours is multiplied by 60 and then added to minutes. Second rule, to convert minutes to seconds, we multiply the number of minutes by 60 and then add it to seconds. Let us look at example 1. Convert into minutes. So question is 3 hours 30 minutes. Students, you can see that we have to change hours into minutes. So we will multiply 3 by this 60 and 30 will remain as it is because it is already in minutes. So let's look. 3 hours 30 minutes equal to 3 multiplied by 60 plus 30 into minutes equal to, by multiplying 3 and 60 we get 180 and we will add 30 as it is. So the answer is 210 minutes. Now you can see that the answer is just only in minutes. Now we will learn how to add units of time. In the addition of units of time, seconds are added to seconds, minutes are added to minutes and hours added to hours, and similarly days into days. If the sum of seconds or minutes are more than 60, then these are converted into minutes or hours and added to their respective column. For better understanding, we will do practice 7.6. Let us look question number 1. Start adding. 6 plus 5 is 11, so we will write here 1 and 1 will be carried to the next. Now 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. Alright, now you can see students that 1 minute have 60 seconds and you know that 81 is greater than 60, so we will divide 81 by 60, because to convert seconds into minutes we divide number of seconds by 60 and the quotient represents minute while the remainder represents seconds. So let's start. 60 ones are 60 by subtracting. 1 minus 0 is 1 and 8 minus 6 is 2. This is the quotient and this is the remainder. Quotient will be the minutes, so we will give carry, and 21 is the remainder, so it is the seconds. We will write here in seconds column, it will become seconds. Now adding minutes. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 4 plus 3 is 7. Alright, now adding hours. 6 plus 2 is 8 and 1 will come as it is. Let's look question number 4 for more understanding. Now starting from the right side, so we will add zeros. 0 plus 0 is 0 and further 0 plus 0 is 0. So we will write here 0. Now adding 3 plus 4 is 7 and 7 plus 5 is 12. So we will write here 12. It becomes 120 and you know students 120 is too much greater than 60. Now changing into minutes, we will write here 120, and here is 60. We will divide with 60 because 1 minute contains 60 seconds. Now dividing, 61s are 60 and 62s are, let's see, 2 zeros are 0 and 2 6s are 12. It means that 62s are 120. Now subtract, 0 minus 0 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, and 1 minus 1 is 0. It means that we will write quotient, this is the quotient, in the minutes column, and the remainder we will write in the seconds column. So now erase this 12 as it will become 2 minutes and 0 seconds. So we will write here 0 seconds and 2 minutes. We will write here 2. Now adding 2 plus 0 is 2 and 2 plus 6 is 8. Alright. Now 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 2 is again 8. Now you can see that 1 hour contains 60 minutes and 88 is too much greater than 60. So we have to change into hours. We will divide with 60. Now dividing 88 by 60. 61s are 60, as we know that 62s are 120, so it will be greater than the dividend, so we will take 1. 61s are 60. Now subtracting, 8 minus 0 is 8 and 8 minus 6 is 2. It means that it is 1 hour and 28 minutes. It means that we will write 28 in the column of minutes rather than 88, and 1 will carry to the hours column, so we will write here 1. Alright, and now we will write here 28. Now adding hours, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11, so we will write here 1 and 1 will carry to the next. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So we will write here 5. Hence it becomes 51 hours, 28 minutes and 0 seconds. I hope you get my point. Now students, you will do question number 1 to question number 15 of practice 7.6. By doing yourself, you will better understand to deal with the units of time.